So I have a PDF in which there are the quantitative aptitude questions of Tech Mahindra. So let me practice some Tech Mahindra's quantitative aptitude questions practice so that you have the idea how much level of Tech Mahindra have in their first rounds. Okay. So now this is the first question. A group have total 36 members worked in a company in which the number of men, women and children are in a ratio this and the wages earned by group rupees 1440. If efficiency of one man and one woman and one children in a ratio is this, then find out wages earned by the man in the group. Simple. Okay, the simple is that if the ratio of that is what they are asking, then find out the wages earned by the man in a group. Okay, so there is a 4 3 and 2. Okay, so the total is what 4 3 2 and okay, sorry, 4 3 2. So this is the ratio of man, woman and children. Okay. Now their efficiency ratio is 5 ratio 4 ratio 2. Okay, that's also okay. So there is member ratio and the efficiency ratio. But in question given the 36 total members. So if the 36 total member, then the number of men, women and children is what? So if the 36, the 36 is a member, total member. So now the ratio, sum of the ratio is what? Is 9. So it means 9 here. So that value is 4. Okay, now the men, total number of men are there 4 into 4 because the ratio is 4. So it is 4 into 4 into 4, it is nothing but the 16. Similarly we do for a woman, the number is 3 multiplied by 4, so it is nothing but the 12. Similarly do for the children, so the children I donate by C, so it is nothing but the 2 into 4, so it is 8. Okay, 8. So this is the number. Now what they are asking, they have this much money. Okay, so this is the what the total wages is this, sorry, 11440. Okay, total wages this. Hmm. Now what we have to done, we have to divide their efficiencies. Okay, now 5. Now the total work done by the man is what? Total work. Okay, so total work is 16 into 5 plus 12 into what 4 plus what 8 into 2. What could be so further 80 plus 12 for the 48 plus 8 to the 16. So what could be so 6 8 14, so 4 carry 1, 1 is carry, so 10 plus 14, so this. Okay, so we divided it here, so we get the 10. Okay, now the men are total how much? So what they are asking, and why a man? A man means there is a one man. So the total man is 16, but one man can do the 5 unit work in a day. So so the multiplied by 5, so we get 50. So I think this is the answer, and we can check. Yeah, 40 is the answer. Old man. It's what they had done little bit short. What this is the bark done by them, and this is the nine. This is the reach. What is this? 16 12. These are the human, the man and their efficiency. Man and woman and their efficiency. Woman and their children and their efficiency. Okay. Bitches and 5 ratio 3 ratio 1. They make it, and they make them in, and also in ratio the total work they can do. And now they make the total money that say man can earn is 800. Now the what is the value that one man can earn is 800 divided by 60 to 50. Yeah, there is a two way of doing it. How you want to do it is depends on you, what you like it. Okay, so I will explain you both the both scenario again, like both the methods again. Okay, so in this method what I had done, I write the efficiency. None first their ratio of the members, and then I write their efficiency. Now what is, if there is a 36 member, then how much total man is 16, I had done here, and how much total woman is 12, how much total children is 8. Okay, now if the efficiency of one man is 5 unit, then the 16 man can do work is 80 units. Similarly for the woman is 48, and children is 16. So the total work they had done is 144, but they gain this much money. Okay, it means what is the value that the bun can have is 10 unit. Okay, now if there is a efficiency is 5, I got the value of 1 unit, like the 1 unit work, because this is the total work. So when I divided total money with the total work, so I get the value of 1 unit work, that is 10. And then if you know that the 5 unit work a man can do, it means when you multiplied 1 unit work payment with 5 unit work payment, the 5 unit efficiency, you got the money that he can get with the help of their hard work or with the help of their work. So it is 50. And in this question, what they had now? First, or they also get the number of men, women, and children. Then they also multiplied it by their efficiency. So and then make their ratios. Okay, it means total ratios of work done is this, that men do the work 5 unit from the total work, and women done 3 unit work from the total work, and children done 1 unit work from the total work. It means total wages is this, and this is the total work has done. When we divided total wages from the total work, so we get the value of the 1 unit. But when we get the value of 1 unit, they multiplied it by 5, that the 5 unit work total done by the man in this format, and then they multiplied it by 800. देखो, listen. Okay, no, they multiplied it by the 1 unit basis, so they got the total money that a man group can earn. So the 800 money man group earn, then what is the value that one man can earn? So in one group there are 16 members, so they divided it, so they get 50. Yeah, this the both way are simple, and if you understand, if you able to understand, both ways are simple and easy also. Okay, so now we do some next questions. Okay, so this is the next question. I'm also doing these question first time only. Okay, I'm also doing these question first time only, so the reaction or the solution is all things are pure. Yeah, so we do. So I forget about the compound interest sum format. Okay, because if there is the equal installment, then I forget about this type of concepts, equal installment concept. So we see it after some time. So before that, I take this question. So we try to do this question. Okay, no problem. I will solve that question and explain you. But first, I need to study something about it, because I don't want to create doubts on your mind and simply explain it. I had I can or I not, but if I explain it, then I think you also not understand the main thing about the question behind the question what is doing. Okay, so third question: income of A and B is in a ratio 2:1. Okay, so 2:1, and expenditure of both are same. So their income is this and the expenditure is same. So B considered expenditure is like 1:1. Okay, if saving of B is 80% less than that of A. Okay, so here I write uh, income. Yeah, I know my English is weak. That's why I'm making these videos so that the yeah, like what? Sorry, yeah, income, and then what? Shaving. Okay, and then expenditure. Okay, and expenditure what they are saying, if the saving of B is 80% less than that of A. Okay, 80% less. So we consider the saving of this is 100% and it is 80% less. It means 20 less than that of A, and average expenditure of A and B is 3000. It means the ratio would be what this. Okay, this, and then 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10. So this is the ratio of their expenditure, because if the saving of sorry the x sorry if the so this is not saving, this is expenditure, is expenditure. Okay, and this is saving, this is saving. Okay, so if the saving of B is 80% less than that of A, and average expenditure of A and B is this, then find out the income of A. Okay, so we know that their average expenditure is this. Now, if their expenditure are same, then their average expenditure is the only their individual expenditure. Okay. Okay. Now, what the second thing is, what the second thing can be find from this. Okay, what the second thing that can be find from this. So, okay. So this is the second thing. What we consider income as 2x, and here also 2 we consider income of first person second person 2x. Expenditure we already know that is the 30,000. Okay, and here we consider that buy, and savings is buy. Okay, now if you can know that, if you subtract saving from income. Okay, saving from income, then you get the expenditure, and it is nothing but the this. So I 40. So I okay this. And similarly here, 1x minus 1y is the same number you get to do. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then you solve these equations. When you solve this equation, so in how way you can solve, I multiplied the whole y 2 and then subtract them. Okay, no problem. So what could be the new equation? So new equation is nothing but the 2x minus 2x 2y is equal to 6,000, sorry 60,000, and when you subtract them this and to this, so what you get, this the new equation is, okay, the new equation is what, 2x minus minus 5y equal 3,000 30,000. Okay, and you what you subtract them, it means changing of the sign, so this is negative and this is positive, and similarly this is also negative. It means, it means what you get here, you get the 0, okay, and the minus sign here, and 3y you get. Similarly here what you get, the minus sign you get, and this you get. Okay, now the what is the value of y here, what is the value of y equal to what, uh, 10,000. Okay, so from here you get the value of saving. If the saving is of one person is 10,000 and the second person is 5,000, okay, you get the value of so from that you can get the savings also. Now if you what they are asking, find out the income of a, so when you put this value here, you got the value, you got the income of a. So in the first equation I place the value, so here I directly write the 15,000, and is equal to it is equal to what, 30,000. So 2x value is what, this plus this is 80,000. It means x value here also the same, this. Okay, I don't know what mistake I had done here. Okay, this. Now if the x value is this, then the what, then their expenditure is a, expenditure is similarly here is this. Okay, so the answer D is correct. Okay, now we do some more questions. Here you can also see this method little bit short. Okay, this method is little bit short, so you can do with this method also. Okay, what they had done, we also the income is a 2x and x, they also considered them as a 2x and 1, and you can see that if you subtract the savings from the if you subtract the expenditure from the total incomes, you got the saving. Similarly you have done here, and their ratio obviously same, because the saving also comes same, so then they do the all calculation and they get the answer. Okay, now this is the new question. Mm, so this is the new question. Okay, no problem. No problem. The two train A and B having length of x meter and x plus 100. Okay. Okay. So A length, A train length is equal to x, and B what, V, sorry, V train length is equal to x plus 100. Okay, when both trains running in an opposite direction, they cross each other in hmm, the time of crossing each other. is what? Hmm, 13th plus 1y3. Yeah, this can be written as this in this format also. So it is second. Okay, so in second. Okay, in second. Okay, now while when both train are running in the same direction, that faster train takes 120 seconds to pass the slower train completely. Okay, so when they are in the same direction, so it takes for them to 20 seconds. Okay, the faster train to overtake the slower train. Okay, to pass the slower train. Okay, if the speed of the faster train is 18 km more than that of the slower train, faster train, faster train speed is nothing but the s plus 18. It means s is the speed of slower train, then find the speed of the faster train. They are asking me that. Okay, no problem. So it is too easy. Okay, so length of both the train is this. Okay, now the time to cross each other. Okay, so the total distance when they are crossing each other is in both the condition total distance is same. Okay, in both the condition, because only the speed differed in both the condition and time differs. Okay, no problem. So in first condition, the distance is what? X plus no, sorry, the distance is this in both the condition. Okay, and the time taken by them to cross each other is 13 plus 1 by 3. 13 3 the 39, 39 plus 1, so 40 by 3. uh, Cross the speed is what? If they are crossing each other, it means they are opposite of each other and coming to each other, so that the speed just add. So the first train speed is what? S plus 18, sorry, 18, and the second train is S, we consider as S. Okay, this is the first equation we get. And now again the distance is same. The distance is only the length of both trains. Okay, and the time taken by them is 120 seconds. Okay, cross speed of the train. Now if they are in the same direction, it means now we have to subtract and take the difference of it. So their difference is this. Okay, their difference is this now. When they are same direction, then the faster train can overtake the slower train by the speed of only the difference of their speed. You can imagine this thing. So in this condition, when the train coming from opposite direction, when they are running in the same direction, in this the relative speed concept comes in a rule. Okay, in which if they are coming from the opposite direction, their speed add with each other, because their speed is also because of the meeting of both the train is with the help of their relative speed. It means the one is coming from one direction, one is coming from one direction, then the relative speed is the addition of the both. And when they are in the same direction, then the faster train will overtake the slower with the speed that is difference between them, the speed of difference between the both train. In by the help of that speed, the faster train overtake it, so the difference is 80. So I take it here that. And now we have to take the value of x from this equation, and we have be put in this equation. Okay, so from here the x plus x is 2x, so the 2x. Okay, and plus sorry, and plus 100 equal to 120. So 0 is here, and 18 2s are 36, so 6 is here, 3 is carry, 18 1 the 80, so 21. This we get. Okay, now in the next line, next line also I have done with here only. So the 2x value is nothing but 100 goes in that direction, so it is minus it. So 2 0 60. Now the value of x is what? Now the value of x is what? The x equal to the half of it. So 2 ones are 2, again 0, 2 threes are 6, again 0. This is the value. So we got the value of x. Now we put here in the first equation. So as you can see that the x plus x, it means the this value we can put directly, was 2x, so it is 60. Now plus 100. Now we have to do something here only. So the 40 by 3 x, because it x means here it is multiplication, the small x. So s plus x, again the 2s plus 18. Okay, now when we solve it this, so what we get, this is sorry, yes, this we need to be the value of 2x we have, we need, so 2 1 60, uh, equal, no sorry, multiplied by 3 divided by 40, and here the equal to 2s plus 18, which means 0 0 cut, and 2 fives are 20 and 2 fours are 60. Okay, multiplied it by 3 and divided it by sorry, and then it is subtracted by 18. Okay, and equal of only 2x, 2s is remaining. Now in this line, when you multiply it by 3, so what is remaining? 3 fours are 12, 1 is carry, 3 fives are 15, and 15 1 16. Okay, subtract 80, so you get something that 2s. So the 18 when you subtract, so from 12 it you subtract 18, so it is now the 5 from 1, so 4, and 1 is already there, which is equal to 2s. So now from here you can conclude that the s value is 72. Sorry, 72. You get the s value, and what they are asking in the question, the find the speed of the faster train. Okay, the faster train is, you get the value of s, then s plus 18 that I have already mentioned here, so you got the value of faster train. So what is the value of faster train? So the speed of faster train is equal to 72 plus 18, which is nothing but the 8 plus 2 is 10, carry 1, so it is 100. No, it is not 100. 1 plus 2 9, 9 9 9 90. Yeah, yeah, 90. Yeah, if there is any, yeah, D is the answer, and we can match in this also, D is the answer. Yeah. Okay, and this way they had done it. Okay, so I don't want, if you just pause the video and try to understand this their method. Okay.